नमः सर्वेभ्यः। इदानीं साष्टाङ्गनमस्कारः अत्र किं किं भवति, येषाम् अङ्गानां प्रयोगः भवति इति पश्यामः. In this prostration with 8 limbs, which are the limbs involved? We will take a look at that. The meaning of the word Sashtanga Namaskara itself means, here Ashta means 8, Anga means limb, Namaskara means prostration or bowing, Sa means with. So with 8 limbs, this prostration is performed. साष्टांग नमस्कार समये प्रथमं अंगम भवति पादद्वयम्. The 2 feet should be on the ground. अष्टानाम् अंगानां भूस्पर्शनं भवेत्. 8 limbs should be touching the ground. The first one is पादद्वयम्, 2 feet. तदनन्तरं जानुद्वयम्, or 2 knees should be touching the ground. And then panidvayam, or 2 hands touching the ground. So these are 6. Padadvayam, 2 limbs, janadvayam, 2 knees, and panidvayam iti shadangani jatani, 6 limbs. And then saptamam angam asti uraha, chest or vakshasthalam, that should be touching the ground. Ashtamam angam shiraha iti, the head part. So here also head part means the chubukam or the chin of the head should be touching the ground. So here there are 8 limbs, ashtangani, 2 feet, 2 knees, 2 hands, 6 uraha, saptamam shiraha, ashtamam iti ashtangani. So ashtanga namaskarah jatha. So this is one interpretation. Ekam vivaranam. Dvitiyam vivaranam asti. So there are second interpretation is padadvayam taking 1 unit, janudvayam iti ekah ghatakah. So second unit, and panidvayam 1 unit. So 3. So this means padadvayam together 1 unit, janudvayam together 2nd unit, panidvayam together 3rd unit. So there are only 3 limbs considered. And uraha becomes the 4th unit, and shiraha 5th. So panchangani jatani atra. So there are 5 limbs. Now 6th one, adding 6, 7, 8. So we need 3 more. So for the 6th one, there are drishtihi. दृष्ट्यापि नेत्राभ्यामपि तस्य पादस्य अवलोकनं करणीयं, पादभागस्य. So with the drishti also, with the gaze also, one should be looking at the feet, or towards the feet of the one who you are respecting. Iti atra षष्ठम अंगम. अनंतरम सप्तमम भवति वचः. With the speech also, vachasa also, स्तोत्रम करणीयम, यस्य पूजनम क्रियते अस्य अत्र. तदनन्तरम अष्टमम अंगम भवति मनः, माइंड. मनसा अपि स्मरणीयम, स्मरणं कर्तव्यम, तस्य पूजनार्हस्य. So one whom we are respecting, tasya ekagra chittena, complete focus should be done with the mind. So here 3 more are added: padadvyam, janadvyam, panidvyam, urashara iti panchangani, and then vachaha, drishtihi, manah iti punah 3 angani ahatya ashtangani atra santi. This ashtanga namaskara. There are 8 limbs involved. Asya Sashtanga Namaskarasya anekani prayojanaani santi. One is sharirika dardhyam athva arogyam vardhayati. It is good for the health also. And also tat sampurna sharanagatim साष्टाङ्गनमस्कारः सूचयति. It indicates, signifies complete submission towards the one whom we are respecting. इति साष्टाङ्गनमस्कारः. धन्यवादः.